Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a cool pull-through braid updo style. So you're going to need some rubber bands, a comb, and some hairspray, and that's about it. Let's get started. First thing you're going to want to do is take a comb and start parting your hair. Make sure it's even and looks nice, and then make sure you get the hair that's not in your part moved out of the way so you don't have any tangles later in the hairstyle. And remember, this is a version of the pull-through braid, so you're just going to take a small section at the front and put that into a rubber band. After you get the first rubber band in, make sure you take the hair in the front there and pull it out so you have a small poof. Then you're going to take the hair on either side of the rubber band and wrap it around. Repeat the steps and take those two sections of hair and put a rubber band in those as well. After you put the rubber band in, make sure you pull those sections of hair out to match the poof you have in the first section. Just go ahead and repeat those steps until you are at ear level. Once you have gotten the pull-through braid down to your ear, we'll go ahead and do the bun. Alright, I think we've got this part, so I'm just going to go ahead and speed it up. Okay, make sure you stop right here because if you go any further, it's going to stick out a little bit in the wrong places and just look a little bit strange. I like to use these thin headbands as a ponytail holder, so go ahead and use that. I get these at Walmart. Alright, when you are pulling the hair through the final time, don't pull the hair through all the way. Just make sure you get your ponytail holder tight enough. Pull out the hair for your bump. And then leave that hanging right there. So you're going to take this hair and either twist it or braid it and then wrap it around the hair elastic. And then just secure that with a large or small bobby pin. Just make sure when you stick it in through your ponytail that you're not able to see the bobby pin. You can spray this with hairspray before twisting. Once you've twisted, go ahead and secure that with a couple of large bobby pins. Depending on how you put them through the bun, you may need one or two. I like to use two just to make sure it's secure and not going to go anywhere. Okay, you literally do not have to do anything else here. Just make sure you are pinning up that leftover hair really well. And then just pull and tug wherever you think it looks like it needs it. And then spray it with hairspray to make sure it stays secure. I'm using Sebastian Shaper Professional Hold. And then I like to just use a mirror to make sure I'm not missing any places and make sure there's nothing sticking out that looks a little crazy. I'm using these bobby pins from Sally's. Once you have it secure, you are all set. That is it, my friends. This is the finished product, and just ignore that weird little jig I did there. Please do not forget to hit that thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I greatly appreciate you guys following along on this journey with Hair by Hannah.